We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the National Geographic Science Magic Kit, a popular educational toy designed for children aged 8 and up. This kit combines the excitement of magic tricks with the wonders of science, offering over 100 unique experiments that cover chemistry, physics, and STEM concepts. It is an Amazon-exclusive product developed by Blue Marble, a brand recognized for award-winning educational toys. The kit includes everything needed to perform 20 main science magic tricks, such as bending metal with water, making coins float, creating square bubbles, and even making snow appear in your hand. Beyond these, there is a bonus guide with over 85 additional experiments that use common household items, extending the play and learning opportunities well beyond the initial kit contents. Parents and users consistently praise the kit for its ability to engage children in hands-on learning. Many reviewers highlight how the experiments feel like magic, which captivates kids and encourages curiosity about how and why these phenomena occur. The instructions are described as clear, colorful, and easy to follow, making it accessible for children to perform experiments with minimal adult assistance. This ease of use is a significant advantage, allowing children to explore science independently while still being safe. The materials included are generally of high quality and safe for children, which provides peace of mind for parents. The kit's design encourages critical thinking and problem solving as children begin to ask deeper questions about the scientific principles behind each trick. This educational aspect is a recurring theme in user feedback, with many noting that the kit not only entertains, but also fosters a genuine interest in science and experimentation. One of the strengths of the National Geographic Science Magic Kit is its versatility. It is suitable for both boys and girls and works well as a gift for birthdays, holidays, or as an addition to homeschool science lessons. Users report that the kit keeps children engaged for extended periods, making it a valuable tool for parents seeking to combine education with fun. However, some users have pointed out minor drawbacks. For example, certain powders included in the kit are marked "discard after opening," which can be inconvenient when an experiment requires only a small portion of the material, and the rest is needed for later use. Some parents have improvised by storing leftovers in resealable bags, but having pre-portioned or resealable containers would improve convenience. The kit's packaging is secure and well organized, which helps keep all components in order and ready for use. The inclusion of a magic wand and white gloves adds an imaginative element, allowing children to perform their experiments as magic shows, enhancing the overall experience. Adult users also find the kit enjoyable, noting that it can be a fun project for family members of all ages. It brings people together through interactive learning and shared discovery, making it more than just a child's toy but a family activity. Overall, the National Geographic Science Magic Kit stands out as an educational, entertaining, and well-designed product that inspires creativity and a love for science in children. Its combination of magic and science experiments offers a unique approach that keeps kids engaged while teaching important STEM concepts. The kit's value is enhanced by the large number of experiments included and the ability to use household items for additional activities. If you have this kit or decide to get it, leaving a review in the comments helps other parents and educators make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and supporting the channel by using it is appreciated. In conclusion, this kit is highly recommended for parents looking to inspire their children's curiosity and provide a safe, fun, and educational experience. It is a great gift choice that continues to deliver value as children grow and explore more experiments. This review is based on a wide range of user feedback and expert analysis to provide a thorough understanding of the National Geographic Science Magic Kit's features, performance, usability, pros, and cons.